Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to be sharing with you how I style black outfits, entire black head to toe. I'm going to start off with this outfit here. This is activewear. Not sure about you, but I love an all black attire. It can be anything dressy, casual, even for the gym like this. This is a great running outfit. It's Nike head to toe, socks, shoes, this jacket, super lightweight, and this is just perfect. You can't really go wrong with something like this. I'm going to link everything in the info box throughout the entire video, so if you are interested in the items, check the description box down below. Secondly, this outfit here is really great. I love these jeans. I wear these all the time in my videos. They're my go-tos. They're the Levi's 511 skinny jeans with this bomber jacket from Zara. I kept the t-shirt and I threw on my Vans. You can dress this up with some nice Chelsea boots, some black boots, even some black shoes, throw on white shoes, but we are doing an all black outfit challenge type of thing, though it's not really a challenge for me because these are kind of my styles, right? Moving on to the other outfit that I have here for you. I threw on these black, rugged, vintage looking Chelsea boots from Oro, Los Angeles. And I kept the jeans, kept the t-shirt, but I threw on this denim jacket. This is from 7 for All Mankind. It's a great outfit, great silhouette, fits perfectly. This is more dressed up version with the boots. Threw on this Coach bag that I actually talked about in my latest video. If you haven't watched it, I'll card it here or I'll link it below. Now moving on to another outfit here. This is one of my favorite long sleeve Henley shirts. It is from 7 for All Mankind. It just fits really great. I kept the jeans, kept the boots, just to show you that if you have staple pieces like these in your wardrobe, you can wear these multiple different ways and so many different times, different styles, different outfits. So I think that is just important to keep in mind when shopping. Have things that fit well, that you feel great in, and you're good to go. Now moving on with another outfit here. I kept this t-shirt. I threw on these pinstripe pants. They have this nice little elastic at the ankle, so they're not super baggy. I kept the black Vans, the high tops. You can also throw on boots, some Doc Martens, lace-up boots. I prefer this tucked in. I've been getting really into the tucked in look, but I just wanted to show you that this looks really great, both. But personally, I do prefer it tucked in, and you can definitely layer this outfit up as the day goes on. Can't go wrong with sunglasses. And this is very just California vibes, in my opinion. Totally right up my alley. Very much my style. Well, all of these are. Now up next, I threw on these jeans. These are from Abercrombie, a little more loose fitted, you know, very, I guess, on trend at the moment, but I've been really into the baggy jeans, which is unlike me, but I really enjoy these. The boots are from Doc Martens. The jacket is from the Kooples, and you can even style this with a black hoodie underneath. This hoodie is from Abercrombie. By the way, Abercrombie has amazing hoodies. Just saying, not sponsored, but yes, I'll link everything below. And sipping my coffee, ready for the day. Another outfit, I threw on these chino pants from Dockers. I kept the black pocket t-shirt, switched the boots actually. These are from ASOS, a little more dressy boots. And I threw on this coat from H&M. You guys, I have had this H&M coat now for like 5 years. It's been to Europe with me. It's been to Mexico. I've really taken this everywhere, and it's great. H&M really does have some great outerwear, in my opinion. You just have to kind of be lucky, I guess, with some items, but this has really served its purpose and I really enjoy it. Lastly, I threw on this suit. This is from Express, head to toe, with the exception of the t-shirt. The t-shirt is from a local shop here, and again, tucked in the t-shirt, nice dressy feel. You can even opt out for a black button-down shirt. And I just feel like black really elevates an outfit. And that concludes all of my outfits. These were 10 all black outfits. Thank you for watching. Let me know what was your favorite. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.